Since the year 2009, I have been riding motorcycles. However, I have never had the scope of riding solo until this time. I started from Kolkata late at night and the weather was cold. Roads were filled with fog and that would only make the journey more difficult. The dawn, however, was beautiful with clear skies and I managed to get a good view at the Chakra lake. The roads to Vizag are mostly smooth and beautiful. However, I wanted to take a detour and enjoy some beautiful off-road. There's something about life. Life is not always smooth like the beautiful highways, but sometimes it comes with ups and downs, just like this off-road route that I'm taking. What adds to the beauty of it is how we deal with these kind of situations and how we manage to adjust to the constant changes and emerge victorious at the end. Well, sometimes I like to stop by and take some pictures before I move on. After traveling for almost 14 hours from Kolkata, I managed to get the best view of my life. The beautiful blue sea on the left, and that's when I knew that I was there.
No, I'm not, but my club's channel is there.
Okay, so actually we thought you were a YouTuber, so we wanted to take a photo.
Sure.
I was greeted by few enthusiasts at Vizag. They managed to understand that I was a traveler from a different state, so they wanted to take some pictures with me. The roads of Vizag are mostly smooth and beautiful, and the traffic is crazy, but in a good way. I had a lot of fun at the go-kart track, and by the end of 10th lap, I was actually doing pretty good. If we talk about the best view of the city, it is on the way to Kailashgiri, and I managed to see a beautiful sunset right on the way. But if you ask for my personal favorite, then it's coming right next. This place is my personal favorite at Vizag. The place is so calming that you can sit there for hours without even realizing how the time is passing by. I was so mesmerized by the beauty of it that I completely forgot to ask anyone about the name of the place. Well, if you know the name of the place, please leave a comment below so that I have the awareness. Enjoy some beautiful pictures from my road trip, but don't forget to like this video, share it with people you know, and subscribe to this channel so that we can have your support. You can also find more pictures from this road trip on our Instagram and our Facebook profile. To find us, use #Team Chakra India. If you want to join the team, please visit www.teamchakra.com. And thank you so much for watching this video.